Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So in today's video, we will see how to give demonstration. If you are a B.Ed student or if you are going to any school to demonstrate, this video will certainly help you a lot. So in previous video, we have seen how to make lesson plan. We have seen the format of lesson plan. So in today's video, we will use the same format to demonstrate. And if you haven't watched the video, if you haven't watched the previous video, I will give the link in the description box below. Okay, so today the lesson plan that we are going to use is Inside Our Earth, and I will give the link in the description box for this lesson plan so that you can use this. So in today's video, we are going to use all the steps like introduction, like presentation and application and evaluation, plus I'm going to use home assignment also in this video. So let's just start. Good morning students, how are you all? Okay, so my name is Nutan Pandey and today I am going to teach you geography. So do you like geography subject? Okay. Okay, so before going to our topic directly, I would like to ask few questions to all of you, and if you know the answer, you just have to raise your hand and I will ask you the question and then you will have to answer that. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, my first question is, how many planets are there in our solar system? Okay, very nice. Tell me name of planets. Yes, very nice. What is name of our planet? Earth. Okay. So what is the shape of our Earth? Okay, very nice. So do you know what is inside our Earth, or how does our Earth look from inside? Okay. So today I am going to teach you the topic inside our Earth. Okay? So today we are learning about layer of Earth. If you will see an onion, you can see that there are many layers in it. Likewise, our Earth also has many layers, and today we are going to learn that. Okay, so there are basically 3 layers that we are going to learn today. Okay, first one is crust. Second is mantle. And third is core. Okay, so first we will see what is crust. Crust is thinnest of all the layer. Okay, we can draw diagram also of it. Okay, as you can see here, crust. This one is crust. So it is thinnest of all the layer. It is only 35 kilometer on the continental mass and 5 kilometer on oceanic floor. Okay. So if we will talk about continental mass, it is made up of silicon plus aluminum. That is why it is also known as Cl. Why it is called Cl? Because it is made up of silica plus aluminum. And if we will talk about oceanic crust, it is made up of silica plus magnesium. That is why it is also known as SEMA, because it is made up of silica plus aluminum. Sorry, silica plus magnesium. That is why it is also called as SEMA. Okay. Now, just beneath the crust there is mantle. Okay. So it extends up to 2,900 kilometer. Just beneath the mantle is core. So it has very high temperature in it, and it is made up of nickel plus iron. That is why it is also known as NiFi, N-I-F-I. Okay. So we will see model also for this. Okay, so here is our model. As you can see, this is the thinnest of all. It is known as mantle. This one is the crust, this one is the mantle, this one is outer core, and this one is inner core. It is thinnest of all, and it has a very high temperature in it. Okay, it is made up of nickel plus iron. So you can see this. This is how our earth looks from inside. Our earth has 3 layers: crust, mantle and core, that we have learned today. Okay, so if you have understand everything clearly, I would like to ask some question to all of you. Okay, and you have to give the answer of that. So how many layers are there in our earth? Okay, so what is core? Very nice. What is mantle? What is the radius of core? Okay, very nice. Okay, so this is our earth, and this is the thinnest of all. It is known as crust. So this crust is made up of different types of rocks. So today we will learn different types of rocks as well. Okay. So first we will see what is rock. So here you can see the definition of it. Any natural mass of mineral matters that makes up the earth crust is rock. So here it is, the definition of rock means it is basically made up of many minerals. Okay. Now we will learn about different types of rocks. So there are basically 3 types of rocks. You can see here. First one is igneous rock, second is sedimentary rock, and third is metamorphic rock. Okay, so what is igneous rock? We will learn first. Okay, so what is igneous rock? You can see here igneous rock. So when the molten magma cools down, it becomes solid. So the rock formed like this is known as igneous rock. Okay, so basically there are 2 types of igneous rock. First one is intrusive and second one is extrusive rock. So we will learn about this, okay, one by one. So first we will learn what is extrusive rock. So when molten magma actually comes down on earth crust and it cools down there, so the rock formed like this is known as extrusive rock. Okay, what it is known as extrusive rock. And example is, you can see here, example is basalt. Okay, and now other one is intrusive rock. What is intrusive rock? Sometimes molten magma, it actually cools down deep within the earth crust. It actually takes a lot of years to cool down. So this type of rocks is known as intrusive rock. And example is here, you can see, example is granite. Okay, so you have learned about this type of igneous rock. 2 types of igneous rocks you have learned: intrusive rock and extrusive rock. Now we will learn about sedimentary rock. Okay, now we will learn about sedimentary rock. When sediments are transported by wind and water, sometimes you know what, sediments are transported by wind and water. After that, it is compressed to form a layer of rocks. This type of rocks is known as sedimentary rock. Okay, and example you can see here. Example is sandstone. Okay, so this is called as sedimentary rock. And the last one is metamorphic rock. So igneous rock and sedimentary rock together, meet up to form metamorphic rock. And example is clay. Okay, so I think you have understood everything properly. Now I'm going to ask you few questions. Okay, so my first question is, how many types of rocks are there? Okay, very nice. What is igneous rock? And give example. Okay, and what is metamorphic rock? Okay, very nice. What is sedimentary rock? Okay, so you have understood everything properly. Okay, so we have learned today about inside our earth. There are basically three types of layers that we learned today. Okay, so the first one was crust, second is mantle, and third is core. And you have learned about all this, and after that we have learned about rocks. There are many different types of rock as well. Three types of rock we have learned today. Okay, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. Okay, so I think you have understood everything completely. Now may I ask some question to all of you? Okay, now what is main mineral constituent of continental mass? Very nice. What is oceanic crust consist of? Okay, very nice. And what is meant by igneous rock? Okay, very nice. And what is meant by sedimentary rock? Okay, very nice. Okay, so if you have understood everything properly, so I have written here some fill in the blanks and you have to answer all this. Oceanic crust is made up of radius of core is when molten magma cools deep inside crust is known as, very nice, dash is mixture of sedimentary and metamorphic rock. Just write down it on your notebook. Okay, and I'm going to give you home assignment. You have to draw diagram of layer of earth and you have to describe its layers in brief. Okay, so if you have understood everything, you have to give answer of all this filling the blanks and do the home assignment that I have given you. Okay, we will meet in next class. Okay.